pivot table is a great tool to gain a quick overview of the larger trends of a dataset. To show it off, I'm once again using my trusty Generation 1 Pokemon stats. To insert the pivot table, select all the data to include, then click Insert and Pivot Table. Now you can choose if to put the pivot table into the same or a different sheet. Let's go with a different sheet. Once you have the pivot table, you'll also get this pivot table editor shown on the right. Now if you ever click away this editor, you can easily reopen it by clicking this pen icon. We can then select what data we want to summarize as well as where and how. Clicking Add in the row section inserts the data type you select in different rows on the first column. Clicking Add in the column section, insert the data type you select in different columns on the first row. Then we can compare different stats by clicking Add in the Values section and choosing the data we're interested in. And then finally, we can also filter out data when needed by clicking Add in the Filter section. You can also easily add more values by dragging in them in the order you want to display them. Now let's say we want to compare the average speed of different Pokemon types to each other. This can be done easily by clicking Add and Type in the Row section, followed by Add and Speed in the Value section, and finally clicking the drop-down window under Summarized By and choosing Average. Now we get a nice overview of the differences in the average speed of the different types. We can also easily sort this data by clicking the drop-down window in the Type section under Sort By and selecting Average of Speed, and then we can choose if we want it to be in descending or ascending order in the drop-down window to the left under Order. Finally, if we want a greater insight into what Pokemon exist in each category, we simply click Add in the Row section and choose Name. Now, if you found this video helpful, please like it and check out my Google Sheets playlist displayed on the screen right now. Thank you.